What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 BMW 7 Series. We're getting remote battery depleted on the dash. And what that means is the remote battery is dead, pretty much. We're going to replace it today. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If we look on the left side here, there's a button. I'm going to push that button in, then we can pull the emergency key right out. Now we're going to open up this top cover here and use a small flathead screwdriver. There's a little slot right here, actually. And I'm just going to go in and just pry it open. Okay, open it right up. Pull the battery out with the flathead screwdriver. It just pops right out. I'm going to get a new battery and show you the size it's going to take. We are looking at a CR2032. You're going to notice it has a positive sign here. It's going to be facing outwards towards us. Stick it in here like this. Just pop it right in there like that. If you need a battery, go down in the description box. There's a link down there that takes you to Amazon where you can get these batteries for like $1. I'm going to get the cover and we're going to slide it into the top first. And then we'll just click it on down. And then get the emergency key and slide it in. And if it goes in good, we're all good. All right. Hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.